In this video, I am going to show you how to share your iPhone's VPN connection with your laptop. Let's get started. First, open your VPN app on your iPhone and connect to any server. Make sure it's active before moving on. Next, go to Settings, tap Personal Hotspot, and turn on Allow Others to Join. Take note of the Wi-Fi password shown on the screen. Now, grab your laptop, open your Wi-Fi settings, and connect to your iPhone's hotspot using that password. Once connected, your laptop will start using your iPhone's internet, which is already protected by the VPN. To check if it's working, open a browser on your laptop and search "What is my IP?" If you see the VPN server location instead of your real one, then you're all set. If you want a more stable connection, you can also use a USB cable. That's it. Your laptop is now using your iPhone's VPN connection. If you want to support our channel, feel free to use our affiliate link in the description below. Thanks for watching, and I will see you in my next video.